A 454 big block, a 4-speed manual, and a glossy black finish that commands attention. This isn't just a 1968 Chevrolet Camaro, it's pure American muscle, reborn. Stay with me because this legendary machine is worth nearly $98,000, and you'll soon discover exactly why. The year was 1968, and the muscle car wars were reaching their absolute peak. Every manufacturer was fighting for horsepower supremacy, but Chevrolet had something truly special. The Camaro had already become an icon, challenging everything on the road with aggressive styling and thrilling performance. Fast forward to today, and this particular 1968 Chevrolet Camaro takes that legendary reputation to an entirely new level. Finished in an incredibly deep, glossy black paint, this Camaro looks like it rolled straight out of an automotive dream. Every reflection dances across its perfectly sculpted body lines, emphasizing the long hood, muscular fenders, an unmistakable first-generation Camaro profile. The contrasting white front striping gives this classic and aggressive racing-inspired appearance, while the cowl hood hints that something extraordinary is hiding beneath. From every angle, this Camaro captures attention. The rear spoiler completes its iconic silhouette, giving the car a purposeful stance that looks fast even when it's standing still. Sitting proudly on factory-style 15-inch wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich performance tires, the proportions are simply timeless. The 225/60 R15 front tires provide responsive steering, while the wider 235/60 R15 rear tires help plant all that incredible power firmly onto the pavement. But the true magic begins the moment you lift the hood. Nestled inside the engine bay is the legendary GM 454 cubic inch big block V8 engine. This isn't just another classic V8. The massive 454 is famous for producing relentless torque and delivering the kind of brutal acceleration that made American muscle cars legends around the world. Fuel is delivered through a factory-style carburetor, preserving the authentic character of this incredible machine. Every press of the throttle unleashes that unmistakable, deep, thunderous rumble that only a big block Chevrolet can produce. It's a soundtrack that sends chills through enthusiasts and instantly transports you back to the golden era of muscle cars. Power is transferred through one of the most respected manual transmissions ever built, the legendary Muncie 4-speed. Every gear change is mechanical, precise, and deeply satisfying. There are no electronic driving modes, no paddle shifters, and no distractions. It's simply the driver, the clutch, the shifter, and 454 cubic inches of raw American horsepower. Backing up all that performance is the durable GM 12-bolt rear end paired with a 308/1 gear ratio. This combination provides excellent cruising capability while still delivering powerful acceleration whenever the throttle is opened. Whether you're driving through town, cruising on the highway, or arriving at your favorite car show, this Camaro feels confident and composed. Driving confidence is further enhanced by power steering, making this classic surprisingly comfortable to maneuver despite its massive engine. Up front, power disc brakes provide improved stopping performance, giving the driver greater control compared to many muscle cars of its era. Now let's take a closer look underneath. The underside has been professionally finished in black paint, creating a clean and well-preserved appearance. New hardware throughout demonstrates careful attention to detail during restoration. The stock suspension maintains the authentic driving feel Chevrolet engineers originally intended, while a new fuel tank ensures dependable performance for years to come. Completing the mechanical package is a brand new exhaust system. The result is exactly what every muscle car enthusiast dreams of: a deep, aggressive exhaust note that announces the Camaro's presence long before it comes into view. It's loud enough to command respect, yet refined enough to enjoy on every drive. Opening the driver's door reveals an interior that perfectly complements the car's aggressive exterior. The black vinyl interior remains faithful to the Camaro's original heritage while presenting a clean, well-restored appearance. Comfortable front bucket seats provide excellent support, while the rear bench seating allows passengers to enjoy the experience alongside you. The black carpeting creates a cohesive and elegant cabin, while the center console houses factory-style gauges that constantly remind you this machine was built for driving. The classic 4-speed floor shifter stands proudly in the center, inviting every driver to experience the joy of rowing through each gear. Wood grain accents add warmth and sophistication throughout the cabin, contrasting beautifully with the black interior. The iconic 3-spoke steering wheel feels perfectly sized in your hands, connecting driver and machine with every turn. Even the AM/FM radio remains in place, preserving the classic atmosphere while offering just enough modern convenience for enjoyable weekend cruising. This Camaro isn't overloaded with unnecessary technology because it doesn't need to be. Everything inside serves one purpose: delivering an authentic muscle car experience that modern performance cars simply cannot replicate. And then there's the value. With an asking price of $97,995, this 1968 Chevrolet Camaro represents far more than a collector vehicle. It's a carefully restored piece of American automotive history, powered by one of Chevrolet's most legendary engines. The combination of the 454 big block V8, Muncie 4-speed manual transmission, GM 12-bolt rear axle, stunning black paint, white racing stripes, and beautifully preserved interior creates a package that's equally at home on the show field or cruising down an open highway. Cars like this continue to attract collectors because they deliver something priceless: emotion. Every startup, every shift, every glance from admirers reminds you why the golden age of American muscle continues to inspire enthusiasts across generations. This isn't just transportation, it's a statement, it's history, it's craftsmanship. And above all, it's one of the finest expressions of classic American muscle ever created. If you could park this incredible 1968 Chevrolet Camaro in your garage tomorrow, would you keep it factory fresh or unleash that legendary 454 big block on every open road you could find? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this feature, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because many more legendary classics are coming your way.